So,
Buddy,
oh god.
come
So I thought I'd try something new, and usually I talk in my videos, except for my role plays. But for once, I think I'll give y'all a cool little video with no commentary. So this is gonna be my only commentary from here, except for the ending where I say goodbye and all that stuff. But that's about it. So on with the video.
Don't play this game at night. It's super creepy. Your objective is to survive. You and your friends have
This AI is actually crazy. It literally says, just type what.
Well, the game crashed, so goodbye everyone. Remember to like and subscribe, and may the elements guide you all.